Okay, weekenders, today as part of the Traeger Game Day Challenge, we're gonna make loaded baked potatoes. The way we're gonna do ours, we're gonna do a breakfast version of that. So we're gonna take eggs and sausage and mushrooms and crisp up some bacon, and we're gonna load our baked potato with that, topped with cheese, kind of put it back on to melt the cheese a little bit. You'll see all that through the process. Gonna be delicious. Watch, let's go. So the first thing we have to do is actually bake our potatoes. So we're going to drizzle them with, in this case, avocado oil. You could use olive oil, you could use vegetable oil. So I'm doing this one-handed so I could keep one hand dry for the salt. So you're going to put oil on, and then you're going to salt these bad boys up. So we'll put on the salt next. Meanwhile, the Traeger has been preheated. It's running about 350 right now. So we're going to put these on right onto the grill. The grill grates at 350 degrees once I've got them salted and oiled. So that's going to be the first part of the delicious step. While those are on the Traeger, I am browning some sausage. In my case here, some Whataburger sausage. I have 4 eggs. I probably could have done 5 or 6 eggs on this, but I just beat 4 eggs, and I'm mixing those eggs in here with the browned sausage. It doesn't take very long for this step. So once this is all combined, mixed, and the eggs are cooked, you'll see the next thing, I have browned some sauteed some mushrooms. So I've got some mushrooms that I'm adding in here, sauteed mushrooms. Meanwhile, once that goes down, I crisp up some bacon, and we'll see the bacon come into play here in just a little bit. So after about an hour and 15 minutes on the Traeger, those taters are ready to come off. So that's how they look. They come off. We give them a couple cuts. We cut one long lengthwise, and we cut one across the middle, and you squeeze it a little bit. That opens it up. I struggle just a little bit to get it open the way that I want it. Eventually that happens. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to stuff all of them first with a sausage, egg, and mushroom mixture, sprinkle a little bacon on, and then the cheese. You'll see that I just show one. I do all 3, and I leave them on the tray because I want to kind of overfill and overload this tray. So everybody can kind of just dig into one thing. So I'm going to cook them directly on this sheet pan once I get all 3 of them going. So you'll see that here in just a second. There's what the first one looks like. Of course, you can't ever have enough cheese. I keep adding cheese. I just left the Traeger going at 350. I open it up, pop these bad boys in, like I said, right on the tray. That's what they look like as they go in. Next one, we're going to show them as they come off. They're only in there about 20 minutes. Cheese gets melted. They come out. Everything's been cooked. They come out looking like that. And when you add a little photography to it, it looks like this. Smash that subscribe button. Let's do this again. Win the damn weekend.